2013 Super Nautique G23. I'm gonna start off with, yes, I know the S is missing. It's coming. We got out here and I was like, oh, we didn't put the S on it. So it was damaged. We put a new one on it, or we have a new one for it. But black hull, black forward stripe, silver cloud main, and accent, and interior. Does have design package. Design package came out on G23 in 2013, where the windshield received the windshield vent, and the tower was two-tone. So it always came in white, and then you could choose the piping color on the tower, and so that one was black. This was, I believe, our second G23 we received at N3 Boatworks. It was a stock unit. So we painted the rear vents in 2013 to be blacked out. The tower speakers were black and white. They came in this awful flat silver and black before, and they just didn't match anything. And then we blacked out the board racks. Also on the tower, we blacked out the bimini mounts also. So it kind of all melts together. And then just that standard window tint. Also, beautiful G23, low hours, 242 hours, and has just not been used. We're gonna go through some things on the interior that you'll see, but it's really cool. Oh yeah, check it out. Also, we blacked out the docking light bezels, because why not, right? Sweet, let's walk through this thing. All right, here we are in the interior of the 2013 G23. And here we have the boat running. While we're back here, this does have, this is 2013 to 2015. They had stainless steel vents on the transom of the boat, and these have been painted black. While we're talking about the custom painting, as we mentioned on the walk around, we also color matched the speakers in 2013 when we had this boat. This is a silver cloud interior with silver cloud piping and white carbona with a black main stripe. This boat has titanium seat boxing, and I think that was an option. It was like silver or titanium, white, or brown. I can't remember the brown of that type ring. Any which way, this does have a unique G23 custom sea deck over the cooler door. My gosh, it's difficult to talk today. We also have blue LED cup holder lights, which are pretty cool. As we go throughout the interior of the boat, we do just have mildew stains on the interior of the boat. Really unfortunate. But, zoom out, you can't really see them. But, for an interior that is not physically destroyed, like rips, tears, anything like that, and honestly, there isn't anything. It does have that negative of the mildew stains. Just stinks. Emotionally, not physically. Nice bow walkthrough. You can see that the Nautique logo on the front has that kind of that normal fading. That one has it too. That one really has it, but we don't have any other logos anywhere else. Flip up seat. Big trash can, 10-inch sub, Polk amps, good stuff. Sea deck throughout. We'll just go back here. Inspect everything. There's the, this has the ability to fold the tower down, like they all do, but this one has the bimini that goes out the front, and then the cover goes over the entire thing. So it lays over it, and 13 was the only year that we had that as an option. Boat has a heater. It's currently running. Just gonna back away from our docks right there. Courtesy lights, overhead lights, docking lights, underwater lights, heater, and seat heater. While we're here, let's go to home. Change view. 242 hours. 45 degree air temp. That's about right. 46 degree water temp. Burr. Amongst the other things that are happening in the world, really be cool if it warmed up and was nice out. This is one of my favorite compartments on a G23 of this era. Just everything kind of fits in there. It's really nice. Tray that slides back and forth. Huge glove box. I love those things. They're really great. This boat has the one negative, that stinking mildew. Just the slight discoloration on the interior, but other than that, it's really, really nice. Hardly been used. That's where I think the mildew kind of came in at. It's just sad. But let's watch some running footage of it, because it does run so well. There's Preston. That 2020 210 black metallic, but you can't tell.
N3 G23. Sorry, I got the board rack in there. Go guys, give us a call with any questions on this awesome G23, 317-845-9253.